Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. So we made it to Macquarie National Park. It is beautiful. The place the hike we went on today was
jump rock.
Heading off to an adventure with my good friend George.
Good friend. What's up, guys? I'm George coming at ya.
Just kidding, we're not really friends. We met like 5 minutes ago.
Who is this girl in my car? Who is this? I want to kick her out.
Power of social media. We literally just met this morning and we're going on a road trip today.
Yeah, down south to Sydney.
Should be fun. Where are we going?
Macquarie's Pass, and I can't say much about it because I've never been there before, but it should be a good day out.
Sydney Adventures. Gearing up.
Alright, we're ready to go.
So we're starting at the base of the track. I've read in some places it takes half an hour, but I think there's another one you can take which takes a bit longer. A bit more adventurous.
What's up, guys? Beautiful afternoon here in Sydney. It's my first adventure trek back home. We are not in Mexico anymore, unfortunately. So this weekend we have traveled south of Sydney to Macquarie Pass, and today I'll be adventuring around with Leanne. Yes, today is the first time we've actually met, and yeah, so we just had like an hour and a half, 2-hour drive from Sydney. So I don't think I've been around this area before, certainly not as far south. So we left Sydney pretty early this morning. It was supposed to be 7 o'clock, but we're both pillows, so it was inevitable. So we ended up leaving at 8, and then we had breakfast. Yeah, it was 8 o'clock already. Oh, quarter to 8. Vietnamese pork roll to fill up our stomachs before this hike, and we got our snacks. We went to the grocery store, chocolates. Leanne's a big sweet tooth.
Yeah. And I've got 2 liters of BCAAs.
She has BCAA in her water. What?
Whenever I go hiking, it's always in. George has got all of his recording gear and he's having a great time filming everything. It's gorgeous. Gets a bit steep in some areas.
Story of a vlogger's life.
So I don't know if you can tell, but there's some parts of this hike that is a surprisingly steep drop. It's quite narrow too.
So we're now just walking along a nice track through the lush rainforest of Macquarie Pass, and as you can see from the footage earlier, that it's actually a pretty steep slope where we're walking through. It's a narrow track and it's like 45 degrees down that way, 45 degrees up that way, and here we are carrying like camera in one hand, water and gimbal on the other hand. So it wouldn't be good news if you actually like fell and slid down that slope. But overall, quite a scenic trek so far. You know, you could actually, I think, take the low road with the rocks and the stream flowing down there, but Leanne decided to take the high road. Nah, that's okay. Yeah, she likes taking the hard way up. Oh, look at her, king of the rock. Look at over there. That's just a straight thing up there, you know. It's alright. Yeah, you know. I'm gonna go up this way.
You want to go this way on the way back?
Yeah, why not? This is awesome. Let's see what we've got. What do you want to have? Oreos? So that track is basically just up there and it just follows this stream here. So a nice, pretty simple track. And then now, it's time for a little snack. And Leanne's got the Oreos. We'll be fighting over that because I can usually finish one whole one by myself.
You know why I don't like mine?
Oh my god. This is living with me Oreos.
How's the sound on this?
Well, this is actually the first time I'm trying it without the shotgun. So like I know we're going to be talking, so...
Pull one out. Pull one out. Cinematic.
That's what she...
I think we're like 10 minutes away from our stop, but I wanted to sit down and eat some Oreos. Are we? You reckon?
Yeah, I reckon we're pretty close. So for this trek, you could either go the easy way where we ate through here, or the hard way where we went.
Okay, we're about 45 minutes in, closer to an hour because we took our time, but I think we are almost at the rock.
This is what happens when you have two people trying to vlog.
Takes forever. You ready to jump in?
Yeah, let's go check it out. So not too far, and we have made it already.
The future's far away, but I'll stay. I'll stay. Just take
Living her best life. Oh my god, don't fall.
Can run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life.
So what do you think?
Feels fun.
Gonna slide off that thing?
I'll try it out.
Backwards?
I don't like jumping off the
But you'll slide off.
stretch.
Yeah. Looks like over there is a good spot to do a backflip, I think. This is actually pretty similar setting to Mermaid Pool. Yeah, you haven't been there yet.
I think a long time ago, but I didn't get it.
It's like a really big, it's like a gorge like this as well, and then it leads into like a really big pool, and then it's like a massive jump rock there as well. But yeah, it's kind of similar to that. Obviously this is a bit smaller, but yeah, like the hike and even the rocks and the stream down there, quite similar treks. So if you enjoyed my vlog at Mermaid Pools, if you've been there before as well, then you'll enjoy this place as well. That's it, and check it out as well. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. We are in Macquarie Pass, Jump Rock. And here's some people canyoning, living their best life.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. So we made it to Macquarie Pass National Park. It is beautiful. The place the hike we went on today was
Jump Rock?
The hike we went on today was to Jump Rock. It wasn't I wouldn't say that it was a hard hike at all. If you are fit, if you're reasonably fit and agile, you can do it, but there's some steep sections along the way, so just make sure that you prepare.
Keep going! Out of the frame! Oh, your shoulder was still there, I'm like...
We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left, off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.
So we've been chilling out here for a couple of hours now, just enjoying the sun, and we're ready to jump in. There's a bunch of people who were canyoning earlier, and I think it's the end of their day, so I think they're just jumping on the rock. This guy's pretty keen to do some backflips.
Yeah, I got the GoPro ready.
I just stole everything you said on your live.
Cheating, that's cheating. So all the Instagramming's done now. We got our B-roll and our photos, and now we've got the rest of the afternoon. Just chill, go for a swim, and do some jumps.
Work hard, play hard.
And if you also want, you could go canyoning here as well. I think this is just at the end of the canyoning day, so they... And upstream of here is, that's what it looks like over there. Ready to get in?
Yes.
Alright, let's do this.
We're bringing this back to life.
How did you feel? It's freezing. It's so good. It feels so good going down.
Yeah. How about you? You just like flew as soon as you got there. I'm like, wait.
Did you get it though?
Yeah. Alright. Whoa, damn. Well, the sooner you do it, that means I'll have to do it after you. Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Yeah, this is high.
Not good with heights, man.
3, 2, 1.
Judge, how do you rate the spot so far?
Pretty good, I think. Damn, you put me on the spot. Alright, and we are back. It's the time of the day when we're living our best lives.
Have a break.
Have a Kit Kat. You're reading my mind. So now it's like really sunny. If you come here in the morning, it's nice, but it's still like pretty dark and the sun's like behind the mountain and the trees. So right now the sun's above us, it's past midday, it's like 3 p.m. And yeah, it's absolutely beautiful here.
What do you reckon? From
Which-
there to there? Where do you want to go?
Which pool? This is what happens when you go on a trip with an Instagrammer. Story of my life.
Token videographer for the day. Alright, successful day. We had some filming, some swimming.
Some rock jumps, unsuccessful rock jump. But yes, time to head back now, and you're hungry, right? Yeah. What do you feel like?
Whatever.
Asian food?
Yeah.
Noodles?
Yeah.
Yes. Alright. So we're gonna head back now. I think just a bit under an hour, just get back to the parking. Perfect timing as well. The sun's coming down and can't wait for a feed. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and our adventure today in Macquarie Pass Jump Rock. So this place is a perfect place to go on a short trek. If you want to go jump in the pools, you know, do the crazy jumps that I did back there. Also, don't forget, follow Leanne on her YouTube channel. It's only just starting, but she's got big things planned. Australia Adventure Series and also her Instagram, so I'll leave the links below. Also, comment below if you want to see more of my vlogs. Yeah, just comment below, but if not, just go, nah, I don't want her there anymore, and then yeah, that's it. Thanks again guys, and I'll see you guys next time.